Hi guys, today I'm going to show you a quick and handy trick in SketchUp. I literally use this all the time. Let's imagine the following. I saw this kitchen on social media somewhere and I was wondering how wide are the cabinets, especially for the upper part. Maybe you're new to design and wondering how other designers have constructed their kitchens, their cabinetry, but you don't have access to their plans. So let's say we want to know the width of this upper cabinetry and also how much backsplash this designer used. This example is not the prettiest kitchen, I know. I had to use some royalty-free images, but anyway, it's enough to showcase how it works. Also, know that you need to have somewhat a frontal perspective of the image, unless you are a genius at math, which I'm not, so I use SketchUp to help me. The first thing is to import this image you found into SketchUp. Now find any reference that is pretty standard. Obviously, this is a standard oven, and I believe most of the countries they use an oven which is about 600 millimeters or 23.4 inches. For sure, this is a great reference we can use. Sometimes it can also be a door height, but this is more different at times, so an oven in this example is the perfect reference to use. So how do I scale my image so this oven is 600 millimeters? First, I click on my image. Then I select my tape measurement tool and start clicking on the very left edge of my oven and click another time on the very right of my oven. Obviously, it is not up to scale right now. So while I don't move my mouse after I have done my 2 clicks, I can simply type in the correct measurement of, in this example, 600 millimeters or the inches if you're watching from the US. Now SketchUp understands you wish to scale this image. You click yes, and now we have our image scaled. We can recheck the measurement by creating guides. So anything that falls along this perspective line allows us to examine the measurements in more detail. We can now create some guides with the tape measurement tool to check our upper cabinet width. As we see, most likely the designer has used the upper cabinets in 500 millimeters or 19.7 inches. The backsplash height is about 770 millimeters or 30.3 inches, which makes sense since this is a gas cooktop. How about the drawers? I'm curious to know the height. So the kickboard is 70 millimeters, okay. Next, they use a drawer of maybe 300 or 305. Then some space in between for the shark edge pull of 30 millimeters, and so on. Now let's have a look at how high they actually hung, those island pendants. As this is not at the same perspective line anymore, it's more to the front, we have to have a new reference in order to scale it up again. So we actually know that standard kitchens have a standard benchtop height between 880 to 930 millimeters. Let's see what I got in here. 915. This makes sense as the countertop is super slim, so that must be about 50 millimeters. We can now use this reference to rescale our image. As islands usually have the same height as the rest of the kitchen benchtop. I can delete my guides and start scaling the image the same way we just did. Creating guides again, and now we can see they have used a space of about 760 millimeters between the benchtop height and the bottom of the pendant. So, what do you guys think? Scaling images in SketchUp is a powerful tool to extracting measurements from inspirational images It's a great help for planning and designing, especially if you are new to interior design. I hope you find this tip useful in your projects. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day.